Looking for a bendable curtain track for bay windows, the best option? Not sure where to start and what to choose. Maybe you're reasonably handy at DIY projects around the house. Or maybe you're not very DIY minded and looking for the simplest solution. I'm sure you've got the following concerns. Plastic or metal curtain tracks. Hand draw or corded curtain tracks. Ceiling or wall mount curtain tracks. Will they fit my bay window shape properly? Confused? Then you're not alone. If you're anything like me when looking into a new project, you start with a little knowledge and after a while researching the options. You end up more confused than when you started. You're at the same place most people start from when tackling a project like this. It's not like this is the kind of thing you have to do on a regular basis. So trying to navigate all the bendable curtain track options out there is a job in itself. That's before you even get into how you're going to fit it successfully. Are bendable curtain tracks the only option for hanging curtains in bay windows? Let me talk you through the differences between bendable curtain tracks and pre-shaped curtain tracks. Bendable curtain track for bay windows, the best option that comes straight. Then you bend them yourself, are sold everywhere and quick to buy. They often are the lowest price option, but not always. That's where the benefits end. Sorry, that wasn't a very long list of benefits. The downside of choosing a bendable curtain track for your bay window are many. You have 3 options to choose from: soft plastic curtain tracks, hard plastic curtain tracks, and soft metal curtain tracks. Check out what I have to say about each of these options next. Soft plastic curtain tracks. These often come wound into a coil. They are very flexible, which is great. They are also super cheap. They sell on Amazon for around £15. So you can do your bay for next to nothing. However, in my opinion, you would be just as well opening your front door and throwing your £15 into the street. That sounds a bit harsh, I hear you say. Well, let me explain in more detail the problems you will face. The 2 biggest problems with these tracks are: the first problem starts with these tracks being super easy to bend, and therein lies the problem. Even when you want the track to be straight between the bends, it just won't lie straight and just ends up being wavy across the straight sections of your bay. That is all down to it being wound into a coil to start with. The second problem is that they are very soft, so won't support anything but the lightest of curtains. On bay windows, you tend to have large curtains because bay windows are wide. Also, often high windows needing longer curtains. The track will start to sag under the weight of your curtains almost immediately. Also, with the track and the brackets being made of soft plastic, the track has a habit of breaking away from the brackets as you open and close your curtains. Hard plastic curtain tracks. These curtain tracks often come in tall, straight plastic, see-through packaging. The benefit of these tracks is they will hold more weight and last longer. They are also a budget-friendly option. However, they have some serious downsides when using them on bay windows. The first problem is fitting to the ceiling in your bay. You will be trying to fit while at the same time trying to curve the track into shape. These tracks don't really bend as such. You create more of a wide curve than a bend, so they are not as capable of following the true bay shape. The second problem is when you want to have your curtains return out of the bay on each side onto the wall in the room, so you can close any gaps on the sides. Also, so you can pull your curtains more off the side windows when open. Then you will find almost none of these hard plastic tracks do this. They only bend within the bay but not out of the bay. These are what we call reverse bends. Try doing this and the track will either deform or break. Soft metal curtain tracks. This option is the best out of a bad bunch. You get a stronger track and it will create real tighter bends. The track will then fit your bay shape much better. They will in most cases allow you to reverse bend the track out of the bay. However, as with all these bendable curtain track options, you still have some downsides to contend with. The main problem is with the bending with these curtain tracks. You have to be certain you're putting the bend in exactly the right place. If you make a mistake with the bend position, then try to move the bend or just straighten the track. It will either damage the track, or the track will end up being misshaped, looking awful. There is sometimes the ability to make a minor adjustment, but this takes skill to achieve successfully. 1. They never seem to come with enough curtain track gliders for the size of track you buy. 2. They never seem to come with enough curtain track brackets for the size of track you buy. That is doubly true when fitting in bay windows, as bays require more brackets than straight windows. 3. Again, another bracket issue is the bracket style. They all come with what are called universal brackets. These allow for fitting to a ceiling of a wall, which can be convenient, but they look ugly when ceiling fitted. 4. Many of these track styles when ceiling mounted are not flush. They often have a big gap between the ceiling and the track when fitted. This caused by the style of the brackets. It just makes the whole thing look really ugly in my opinion. 5. The guarantee with these tracks will, in most cases, be your statutory consumer guarantee of 12 months. However, once you have cut or bent these tracks, you're much less likely to get a refund. This time, I want to talk about the downside of choosing this option first. The price in most cases will be more and sometimes a lot more, especially when compared to the Amazon coiled track option mentioned earlier. However, in my opinion, that's not really a real comparison. However, if you look at our comparison here between the Cameron Fuller bendable track versus our regular bay window curtain track, you will see ours cost less while giving you so much more. For all the other cases that our bays tracks cost more. There are very good reasons why, which I will list in a moment so you can decide if the extra cost is worth the extra benefits. When choosing our made-to-measure bay window curtain track options, 1. Custom made to shape ready to fit your bay window exactly, which in turn makes fitting your bay track a breeze. 2. Arrives fully assembled ready to fit straight out of the box, including pre-fitted ceiling brackets. 3. The right bracket style and enough to fit your bay shape. We select the right size and style brackets for the perfect fit. 4. We also supply you with the correct screws and plugs for 95% of situations. 5. Enough curtain track gliders to hang your curtains properly. 6. We only supply quality metal tracks that have to be bent on our special bending machines. 7. We have video guides to help you with measuring your exact bay shape successfully, so no wondering how to do it correctly. 8. We have video guides showing the simple step-by-step fitting process. You will be surprised how quick and simple this can be. 9. We give you a no-quibble 10-year guarantee on all-out products. This not only guarantees the product, it also guarantees that if something goes wrong during the ordering process and your track doesn't fit properly, we take responsibility and remake quickly at no cost to you. It very rarely happens. So, as you can see, you get a huge amount of extra benefits with our custom-made bay window curtain tracks. I recommend you take a look at our regular bay track page for much more info. You can also get an instant price for one to fit your bay exactly.